So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in run. Click on it. Now you're going to type in temp and then click on enter. And then continue. You want to delete everything in this folder. So you're going to do Control A and then click on delete. If you get this, you want to click on do this for current items and then click on try again. If you get this again, you want to click on cancel. This should remove most, if not all, the files in this folder. We can now close out of this. For the next step, you're going to head over to search, and this time we're going to type in %temp%. Click on it, and then do the same thing. Control A, delete. These are just your temporary files, by the way. If you get this, you want to tick the box, do this for current items, and then click on try again. If you get this again, you want to click on cancel, and then close out of this. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on scan options. Now you want to click on full scan. Scroll down and then click on scan now. You want to run this full scan. It's going to take a while. Just run the scan. Now once you complete that scan, you want to scroll down again. Now we're going to run a Microsoft Defender offline scan. And then click on scan now. And then click on scan. And then click on yes. It's now going to automatically restart your computer, and it's going to start running the Microsoft Defender offline scan. After you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows, and then the virus should now be removed.